Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have some project shares for Scrap Diva Designs. These are projects I made using some of the dies from the January 2024 release. So I'll show you the dies that I used. I will show you my projects, take some measurements. If you have any questions, please ask. All of the products will be listed down below in the description box. I will also have my referral link, so if you click on that and make a purchase, I get a commission, which helps me out my channel. Doesn't affect your cost, so thank you so much to everybody who uses that. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to use my coupon code at checkout at scrapdivadesigns.com, and that code is Strawberry Cream, which will save you 10%. So let's get started. Let me just apologize for my voice. I'm still getting over being sick, so I don't sound that great, but hopefully it's not too distracting. Okay, so the first die set that I wanted to share with you is the heart jelly bag. So this die set comes with the main piece. So this one you will cut out twice for the front and the back of the box or bag. And Erica has some beautiful jelly bags in her collection, and this one is made just for Valentine's Day, but of course you could use it anytime. I think hearts are appropriate lots of times of the year. So this one cuts out little hearts from the center of it, and then like little kind of like diamonds sort of on the sides. So yeah, you'll cut this out twice. It leaves a cute little heart handle at the top. This is the side, so this also cuts out little hearts from the side, and you'll cut these out twice as well. Here's the bottom of the box, and then a layering piece for the bottom as well. So this leaves stitch lines on the outside of that, which is really nice to have. It's also nice to have just those rectangles in your stash for any kind of project. And then it comes with these hearts too. This one cuts out a frame with stitch lines on it, and that would go over the handle to add a different kind of paper there, and plus it makes it a little more sturdy having another layer. And then these are decorative pieces. These are different hearts. This one is just a solid heart, a little bit bigger. This one's a little smaller, and it leaves stitch lines on the outside. So let me show you the one that I made. So this is how it came out, and I think it's adorable. Such a cute little gift bag. I love that there are, holes on the front and the side so you could see the inside as well. So I used some hot pink AC cardstock for the construction of my box. And I did use glue on the glue tabs to glue it together. Sometimes I use double-sided tape, but I didn't want it to come apart at all, so I used the glue. And then for the layering piece for the heart on the top, I used some pink shimmer paper, which you can clearly see the stitched detail on that. So I really like that. This piece here is a banner that I showed in my last video. This is the Valentine banner set, and I was waiting, I didn't wait too long, but I was going to put this on a project that I thought would be really cute, and it just fits perfectly right here on the jelly bag. And then these are hearts that I cut out from the die set. This pink shimmer heart cut out from this one here, so I just glued that onto the front of the bag. Then I used the solid heart and cut it out of some polka dot paper, and then the one with the stitch lines is some plaid paper. And I kind of layered them a little bit on some foam tape. And then this is a chit chat from Doodlebug, sending lots of love, and I popped that up on some foam tape as well. On the inside of the box, if you could see, I did add a layering piece with that same aqua plaid paper, and that just reinforces the bottom of your bag, and it's super cute. I didn't do anything to the back except just add another little handle piece. And yeah, I really like it. So this one comes out to be, let's see, at the widest part, it's about 5 inches. And then top to bottom, including the handle, is about 4 3/4. And then it is about 2 inches deep. So super, super cute jelly bag. Just to give you an example of things that can fit, I have a couple packs of stickers here from Michaels. These fit in really nicely. You could add some like sequin bits, just make a little package for your you know, crafty friend. Here's some sprinklets that I used in another project. And as you can see, there's lots of room in there still. You know, add some tissue paper and it would make a really cute little gift for a crafty friend. Or you could just put in like candies or whatever. It doesn't have to be for a crafty friend. Could be for any sort of friend. So yeah, that's my first project. Hope you like it. All right, let's move on to project number 2. So this is called the Fringed Hearts Bundle. So this is such a cute set. So many different ways you can make it. It comes with these 6 dies, and the top 3 here cut out fringes when you run these through your die cutting machine. And it does leave stitch lines on the edges as well. Well, actually just on the top, I guess. But these dies here at the bottom, these are coordinating sizes, about the, you know, the same for the small, medium, and large, but it does leave stitch lines on the outside. So you can use these singular, together, combine them in different ways. Let me show you the ones that I made. I just made 3 quick little embellishments. This one here, I used the solid for the large heart and the middle size heart. And then for the smallest heart, I did use the fringe die, and I cut that out of some white glitter paper. These are actually papers from, the pink one and the white one are from the new Michaels Valentine pad that I showed you guys recently. And it cuts out the glitter part fine, no problem. These are stickers from Dollar Tree. And then I used some red AC cardstock for the background heart. And it just came together so quick. I did add some foam tape behind the white heart. And did I for the, yeah, I did for the pink heart too, just to raise them up a teeny little bit, give them a little bit of dimension. So this heart here, this is the biggest heart. It's about 2.5 inches across, and then up and down, it's about the same, about 2.5 inches. So just a quick little embellishment that you could add to your cards or whatever, gift packaging. You could even put them on your jelly bags if you wanted to do that too. So that's one of them I made. Here's another one. This is all solid hearts, the white glitter, pattern paper, some red textured cardstock, and then another Dollar Tree sticker on the top of that, and just like a little lipstick print. So that one matches as well. And then the last one I made was this one. This one I used all the different fringe heart dies. So small, medium, and large, all out of the same paper from Michaels. And then I used a small little heart for the red heart there, and then sweet also comes from Dollar Tree. So just fun to add the different fringes, I thought. So yeah, these are all the same size because I used the bigger hearts for the back of them. If you want to know the sizes of the other hearts, let me measure the small one. That is about 1 3/4 inches, and then the medium one is about 2 1/4. So I love these hearts. Like I said, you can use them in lots of different ways. There are lots of more examples on scrapdivadesigns.com, but go ahead and, use your imagination and make them unique to you. So that's my next project. And then the last one I want to share with you is probably my favorite one of this round. This is the Market Stand Mini Album. And true to form, I made mine into a card, which I love to do for mini albums. So this one was really easy to make because the outer die here, I just folded a piece of cardstock in half, a 12 by 12 piece of paper. I folded it on the diagonal so this would fit. And then this cut line here, I just put above the fold so it would not cut out the fold there. So now it would, open from the top. So I'll show you that, of course. But so it has this main die here. Here's a layering die that's stitched. And then this die here goes in the middle of that. And this cuts out a little bit more detail. And I actually made mine into a shaker. And I'll show you that. I did cut this, or I used this die here to cut out my foam piece as well. And then it comes with a wheel with a layering piece for that. And then all of these fun pieces. This is the awning for the top of the market stand. And then lots of different embellishments. You can make a banner if you want to with the word love going on it. I didn't use that for this one. They're more like layering pieces and embellishments you could do. There are a couple mason jars. There's this heart balloon with some balloon strings, some more hearts, another embellishment, a couple little coffee mugs. I don't know what this is. I'll have to look and see what other people use that for. And then here are some rectangles. You could use them on your cart, another balloon strand, and here's another one as well. So like I said, I made mine into a card. So let me show you that. So this is the card that I made. Isn't that so cute? I just love how it came out. So like I said, I made it into a shaker. I just thought this window here was a perfect place to put a shaker. So I did cut that frame part out with my Walmart foam board and added a piece of acetate behind that just to hold in all the little shaker bits. I used some doodlebug paper for the heart background there, and then this is some blue shimmer paper that I had in my stash. I think that was from a Michaels paper pad, and I used red AC cardstock for the background of the cart as well. And then this paper for the awning is from the new Michaels Valentine paper pad, and those are those cute little coffee mugs from the die set. And I added a couple of sprinklets. These I got from Buttons Galore a while back, called Sweet Talk, and those are in my shaker mix as well, so I thought it'd be fun to put them on the coffee cups. This word sweet here comes from a Doodlebug Chit Chat pack. That little bird is also Doodlebug. I put that on top of a white glitter heart that I cut out. I really like this balloon bundle that I made. This heart back here, this comes from the market stand die set, but these two balloons that I made come from new Michaels sticker packs that I had hauled recently. These are available at Michaels right now. And I used some matte silver paper for the strings, and then I just tied them together at the bottom with some twine and just glued them onto the front of my market stand. And then for the wheel itself here, I used some black glossy paper, some pink paper for the layering piece, and then this is a little Doodlebug sticker that I put in the middle. So yeah, I think this is so adorable, isn't it? Oh, let me measure this. I'll show you the inside. From top to bottom, it's about 6 1/4, maybe a tad bit more. And then side to side, it is about 5 1/4. So a nice big size. If you wanted to make this into a mini album like it's for, you could, join it up here. That's what I would probably do with some binder rings, or, add a spine, whatever kind of closure you like. So like I said, I just, put my die above the fold so it would not cut the fold out, and that's what it looked like when I took it out of the die cutting machine, this red paper. So on the inside, I added another layering piece with some Doodlebug paper. This is Doodlebug Chit Chat. I just put it on top of a red circle. Some more circles that popped out of the different, not circles, hearts that I had popped out of some different hearts that I had made for my previous projects. And then this is a piece of ephemera as well, just says love you. And yeah, I think it's a beautiful Valentine card. So yeah, that's how it came out. I hope you like it. I really love this. I love the little coffee cups, and the balloon bouquet is just adorable, I think. So again, all of these dies will be listed down below with links to the product pages. My referral link is down there if you wouldn't mind clicking on that when you go ahead and place your order. I do appreciate that so much, and don't forget my coupon code Strawberry Cream to save you 10%. All right, you guys, I will be back soon. I just got my February design team package from Scrap Diva Designs in the mail, so I'm gonna put that, show you guys all the dies that came in, and those will be available on February 1st, which is next week. So that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Take care, everybody. Bye.